Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, very warm welcome to my vlog series. In this new episode of my vlog, today we will be visiting to one of the other very lush green, amazing valleys in Upper Swat Valley, and this very wonderful touring spot is located at the neighborhood of Gabin Jaba. So dear viewers, if you want to visit this particular place, so just reach to Sakhara, and from Sakhara you will go straight to the upperLalku, or the base camp of Gabin. Just camp or park your vehicle at Al Jazeera Hotel. From Al Jazeera Hotel, about 3 hours hiking trekking on the right side of Gabin Jaba, within the ravine upstream, and you will reach to the Shahid Baba, the martyr grave of a very pious person. Cross it, go further up, and there you will reach to the warghumeKarh Abshar, or this is the fabulous waterfall just in front of you. And this warghumeKarh is a Pashto word, and it means kid gravel or KidStone waterfall. KidStone, or the goat baby stone waterfall. So this is a very picturesque valley, very wonderful. Please do come to enjoy this wonderful place. And when you will back to the Al Jazeera Hotel, there is a hatchery, and there you can enjoy fish, and you can stay there. There is a hotel as well. So do come and enjoy this wonderful place, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and like the videos, promote my channel. Enjoy the video. Goodbye until next video. Thank you.